Official updates, Tesla phone release dates and future leaks. In this day and age, smartphones have become an integral part of everyone's lives. Any task you want to do, you are able to fulfill it through this program in just a few clicks. But like everything in nature, there are limits and you can't cross them. However, what if we tell you that there is a smartphone that crossed every limit of phones? You can actually do pretty much everything through it. Doesn't that sound amazing? So what exactly is the smartphone, and what are its unique features that make it stand out from other phones of its kind? Well, give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned to find out. Hello everyone, welcome to Genius's Guide, your daily dose of geniusness. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the next level smartphone, Tesla Model Pi. So without any further ado, let's get started. Unlike most of us, Elon Musk is a fascinating individual, and so is his upcoming mobile phone, the Model Pi. There is no shortage of theories and alleged revealed features regarding this Tesla phone on the internet. It appears that if these reports are accurate, the smartphone market, as well as the internet, is in for a severe collapse. These companies, however, have one thing in common. They both have extremely high brand loyalty among their customers, exact market valuations, and several large companies vying for their attention. Additionally, smartphones are increasingly becoming a part of new Tesla cars, and they are already integrated with the in-car audiovisual technology that Tesla offers. Due to this, Musk is likely contemplating making his own phone, which will prove to be very useful, not just to Tesla customers, but also to the general public at large. Several rumors have been circulating that the phone will come with Qualcomm's high-end Snapdragon 898 processor, as well as 2TB of flash storage, while Apple only provides 128GB or 256GB of storage in its phones, which is quite impressive for a Tesla phone. This beast's body is covered with a special coating that can change the color of its skin at any time. Though this may be due to environmental conditions, the colors of the phone would match the colors of Tesla cars, and it would function as a Tesla car key better than any other cell phone would. There are rumors that are swirling about the Raspberry Pi, even though it is unclear when will it exactly happen. Pi, for those who don't know, is the acronym for Raspberry Pi, which is a low-cost but highly efficient microcomputer. This is a credit card-shaped computer that can be connected to a computer monitor or a TV that has a keyboard and a mouse. This is similar to those found on a regular computer. This is supposed to be a smartphone that connects to a satellite through a built-in antenna. However, typically it requires a large antenna and a powerful radio. But due to its design, it doesn't have any antennas at all. In that case, Tesla users would reap a great deal of benefits, as they would be able to get relatively high bandwidth connections years before 5G is expected to become available. Additionally, with smartphones becoming an increasingly important part of cars, it could be possible to integrate your Tesla phone with your Tesla automobile. For example, a device such as this could be fitted with dedicated buttons that could do tasks such as locking and unlocking the vehicle, finding the vehicle, and yelling for assistance through the car's external speakers. It is also possible that if you have the autonomous feature and want the vehicle to come pick you up, your phone would also assist the vehicle in finding you, which would be useful if you forget where you parked. Additionally, the Tesla phone would also use biometrics, and not just the ordinary type of biometrics. There is a possibility that the company could possibly use some of its smart camera technology for self-driving Tesla cars and create a Face ID system based on this technology. Besides fingerprint unlocking, another alternative is the ADR concept, which is also based on the ultrasonic sensor that is built into the touchscreen. Also, there is a rumor that the Model Pi will have quad cameras with 108 megapixels each, as well as a sub-screen camera. It is also said that according to the speculators, the cameras will be so powerful that they will be able to capture images of the Milky Way. Another leak suggested that the Model Pi could run on solar energy instead of batteries. Well, it doesn't mean there won't be any battery in the mobile. It means that the device can be charged by simply placing it in the sun. At the very least, you won't have to look for charging ports if you use this technology. It is expected, however, that the Model Pi will be compatible with Starlink and would work on Mars. According to reports, the Model Pi might have an antenna that will allow it to link with Starlink, thus making it possible for it to work on Mars. In addition, it is claimed that it will be able to achieve a download speed of up to 210 megabits per second. Similarly, Elon Musk's Neuralink project aims at developing brain-computer interfaces that can link the brains of humans with computers at extremely fast speeds. It appears that according to reports, the Model Pi will be able to work with Neuralink. Additionally, this compatibility will allow users of the Model Pi to directly access their brains and respond accordingly. However, regardless of what this smartphone is meant to do, it is supposed to mine a cryptocurrency called Mars Coin. I mean, how can it be possible that Musk is making something that has nothing to do with Mars and cryptocurrency? As far as I know, it requires heavy electricity, and in fact, it requires a machine which is sort of a supercomputer to mine a cryptocurrency, so you can see how the ecosystem behind this phone will change everything. Aside from that, the users of this ultra smartphone will also be able to use it on Mars, and also it will function as a cryptocurrency wallet as well. In the meantime, if Tesla decides that they would like to compete with Google, or if they would like to include his experience with PayPal, then they could develop Tesla Pay. In addition to that, the Model Pi is also expected to be the first satellite phone to reach the mass market. But it is important to notice that this will not be the first satellite phone, as satellite phones such as Terraria and Iridium exist already. But not everyone can afford them. However, it will be the first satellite smartphone in the world that anyone will be able to buy. According to rumors, Tesla is also working on a smartwatch that will work with both the Tesla Pi and the car, which would be called the Tesla Smartwatch. There is also a possibility that some of the features that are found in the phone may also appear in the watch. The cost of a phone with all of the above-mentioned modern technology would surely exceed a few $1,000s. We can expect future generations to become more affordable as more people use the technology. But the first model will not be an affordable option for most people. According to LifeWire, a tech blog, the price of the Tesla smartphone is expected to be between $800 and $1,200. Many people believe that this phone is just a dream and it cannot be possible. But when you look at the maker of it, you can see that this is not the case. It would have been impossible to believe that such a device could come into existence in 2022 if it were tied to anyone else. But since it is linked to Musk, everyone seems to be interested in hearing about it. It has been reported that pre-orders could begin as early as several months before the official release date. In any case, without a specific release date, we are unable to predict when pre-orders for the Tesla phone will start. However, aside from all of this, there are a lot of things Tesla can do right now, and the Pi phone is merely one of them. In terms of the company's accomplishments, it recently reached a market capitalization of $1 trillion, which is insane. Due to its capabilities, the Tesla car has taken a huge place on the market and is becoming more and more popular every day as a result of its popularity. As a result, it becomes clear that Elon Musk's phone will revolutionize the phone market, and it must even be the catalyst for the creation of a new brand of Mars. And Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, got the award for the Person of the Year 2021 last year. As a result, there will be a lot more to come, both for users and for Tesla. But what do you guys think about Tesla and Musk? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more must-know developments in finance and technology. We'll see you soon. Peace.